guys, here I am at the Dollar General. Let's take a look, guys, see what they have. So here are all your swimming stuff, so we know that stuff is coming out. There's the family pool up there, and there's the floating devices up there. $12, $13 for that little pool over there for the kids. Then you have these shot sizes. Then you have all your pool toys right here, like here's the dive rings, and here's the punch balloons, and here's the diving fish and the diving fish cats. Those are the fish. Then you have your goggles over here. Look how cute these are. Character masks, and there's some more stuff to cover your eyes. Look at this, guys. They have like the fruits, the fruit shaped ice cubes. So those are really nice. And then you have these baskets over here for eating outside. Then you have these. Yes, you have two of these medium buckets for $1. They come in red and purple. That's nice and pink. Look at this little calendar, guys. That's so cute. That is so cute. So then you have the bigger bowls, all your plastic stuff. These over here are melamine plates. They're $1 each. So that's nice. Then you have your straws, and you even have the sets over here, the tumbler sets. Then you have for $4 these bling water cups, and then you have these. I'm absolutely loving this plant right here. Those are $3.50. And then look at this, guys. It looks like crushed green glass. Isn't that nice? And then look at these, guys. These tumblers are am I reading that right? $7. Wow. Then you have the little small tumblers for the little ones, guys. Those are $2 each, and there's the flamingo one. So they come in different kinds. Then you have these. They remind me of the stemless wine glasses. Then you have these insulated cups here. Those are $8. Then you have these kind that look like a soda can. Those are $5. Then you have some more tumblers here. These look like mason jars with the little ice cubes in them. The refreezable ones. This one says, I need space. Check me out. That's cute. Look at this one. I don't know why this one reminds me of Pioneer Woman. Those are $4. And then you have these bigger containers. Oh my God, these match these other containers I just saw. Those are really pretty. Here's your ice trays. And these are the ones with the silicone bottoms, guys. Those are $1. Your barbecue stuff right here's a barbecue grill for $25, a charcoal grill. Then you have your coolers and your charcoal and your toys for the kids. Very nice, guys. Here's hopscotch. Who remembers that? That is so awesome. That's $10. I used to play that when I was a kid. And here's Dot and Dazzle. And then here's Paw Patrol puzzle. Okay. Then you have some jump ropes over here. Those are $1. Look how cute these are. It's the princess ones. Play school crayons. Then you have some action toys. Then you have your tennis playing games and more of the swimming stuff with the towels. Let's see what else they have. So here they have the pot holders. Look at these, guys. This lemon. And they're $1. Each of them are $1. So that's the lemon one. That's the watermelon one. This is the mixed fruit. And this is the mixed fruit with the pineapple in the middle. And this mint right here for $1. I think I'm gonna get this. And you have your tablecloths, and these wooden utensils, these fancy ones, are $1. That's not bad, guys. Those are nice for crafts. And then you have your towels here. Look at that elephant one. That's $2. And then these over here are $1 each. Squeeze the day. You have your carafe over here, and then you have these mugs. Right here, this one over here has the pig. That one back there has the rooster. Then you have morning traffic with the truck on it. You see it? And this one says, I love you more than bacon. And then Home Sweet Farm. Then you have some more of these melamine plates right there. And some more people. Look how cute these are, guys. These are like citrus tea lights. Those are nice for $1. Here's some more cups. And then you got some more pillows on the bottom for 4th of July, $12. I never saw those. I've seen the galvanized metal chargers, but these over here, this is like for dips, $15. And then you have the big ice bucket. And then you also have these trays right there. Those are $5. And over here you have these fancy bottles for $3. These are the dish drying mats for $4. And up there you have some more galvanized stuff. It's really nice. Then you have your boxes. You know, Dollar General always has like the best boxes, guys. Happiness blooms from within. That's really nice. A never-ending story. I love those. You know what? These are your burlap placemats, guys. Aren't they gorgeous? Family is the greatest blessing. How much are they? They're $3 a piece. Then you have these kind over here. And here are your floor mats. Here are your trivets. Is that a trivet? Bamboo trivet. That's $2 each. Then you have some more melamine plates, and I'm absolutely loving these button hooks. And then here are the coasters that go with it. So I'm loving these jars, guys. You know, they really do remind me of the Pioneer Woman at Walmart when you go see her stuff. That's beautiful. And then these are the ones that come with the chalk. Those are nice too. And then here are containers. And okay, so anyway, let's keep it moving, guys. So here's the chopping boards, and here's the rolling pins. I think I showed that before. Cute little hooks, the novelty hooks with the bicycle and the flower. And this over here says, life is one grand adventure. How sweet. And this one says, enjoy the little things in life. Those are so nice. There are so many beautiful reasons to be happy. Wow. I love that. That's so touching. And look at this. It says, love never trust a skinny cook. Never trust a skinny cook. I like that. Look at the rooster for $5. And then these are the jars. These are the glasses that I got. The studded glasses for $1. You can craft with those really nice. And I think I showed you this before. Then you have these are ceramic bowls, and they're pretty big too for $2. And that's the mason jars. And that picture frame there has chicken wire. Mom life. That's so nice. Okay, so I think I showed you these. And let's see. And I'm absolutely loving these vases, guys. These are $4, and they're not on clearance or anything, but I love them. And then I'm just noticing these salt and pepper shakers and that turquoise blue. And I have some games over here. Speech breaker, don't lose your cool, bath bombs. So those are really cool. Then they have this remote control. I think that's a thunder tumbler for $10. What is this? Oh look, the Golden Girls. They've been popping up all over the place. This is a game for $5. There's a neon light design, and then the headbands. And this is a laser tag. And that's a Discovery set over there for $5. And some more kid toys down here. There's a humongous bug, guys. Tarantula. That's $12. And then you have your xylophone for $5. And what are these? Sharp Image, $15. And then that laser gun right there for $20. The Power Tool Workshop, and some more kid toys over here. I think this is a Play-Doh set. Yes. With the moles. So that's $15. So guys, thank you for coming with me to Dollar General just to see what they have. They look pretty stocked in the paper goods. I'm so happy about that. So I'm gonna keep shopping for my supplies, and I'll see you guys in another video.